What if an entire land remembered how to breathe? Aceh is not just beautiful, it's alive. Every wave, every tree, every cliff remembers. From coral kingdoms in Pulau Weh to the deep green lungs of Leuser, from mirrored lakes in Takengon to cliffs where oceans roar at Ujung Kelindu, from waterfalls that whisper to valleys that hold secrets in silence. In Aceh, nature isn't scenery, it's a sacred memory, carved in water, wind, and time. This is one page from Indonesia's diary. There are thousands more. Join the journey with Indonesia's diary, stories whispered by Archipelago.